Hi, this is John with WTI. And as I moved myself recently to a new apartment, and I don't want to harm none of these walls while doing screw driving or like putting any nails in here, this command gripper is just clutch. And I'm gonna tell you what. This goes directly into your wall with a double side tape that is not gonna harm your wall whenever you're gonna do the installation of this. And you can just grip your brooms or grip them up, anything that you want just to grip into it and not make any harm to it. It's just great. And it holds even up to 4 pounds. So you can just rest easy. It can put different broomers and different mops, and your wall is not going to be affected. So the day that maybe you have to get out of the apartment, you just take out the double-sided tape and no effect on the wall or no damage to the wall. This is just masterful made. This is just so convenient for me right now. And it's just like keeping it in a tidy way instead of just like keeping the broom around, making so much mess. It's just easy to take out, put it in again, and it's just nice. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.